Hi guys, in this video I'm going to do a sound test on the Corsair K55 keyboard, and you can hear what it sounds like when I'm punching the keys, and you can hear each click of the keys when I'm pressing it. I'm going to do a typing of a small paragraph of text, and you can hear what it sounds like. So there you go guys, that is the sound of the Corsair K55 keyboards, and that what it sounds like when you start typing on the key. I hope you can hear it clearly with this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.